In this video, I'll show you how to create a smooth motion blend between clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. This transition blends motion between your clips, making the scene change feel seamless, smooth, and natural. It works great for cinematic videos, interviews, travel edits, and storytelling content. Let's get started. First, place your two clips on the timeline and make sure they touch at the cut point where you want the transition. Now go to the effects panel, search for Motion Tween. Once you find it, drag and drop it between your clips. Now select the transition and open effect controls. Here are the most important settings. Ease in controls, how smoothly the transition starts, increase it for smoother motion, decrease it for a sharper start, ease out controls, how smoothly the transition ends, increase it for a smoother finish, decrease it for a faster stop, move controls the position movement between clips, increase it for more noticeable movement, decrease it for a subtle blend, dolly controls forward or backward camera movement, increase it for more depth, decrease it for a flatter transition, angle controls the direction of the motion, adjust it to change the movement direction, rotations X, Y, and Z, control 3D rotation during the transition, increase them for more dynamic motion, keep them low for a cleaner cinematic look. Motion blur controls how smooth and realistic the movement looks. Increase it for more cinematic blur, decrease it for a sharper look. Use a shorter duration for a quick seamless cut. Use a longer duration for a smoother motion blend. For best results, use clips with similar movement direction for the most natural transition. And that's it. That's how you create a smooth motion blend between clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.